Swedes love to do sports. And when the winter allows it, we even go outdoor. And we have a winter break in February that we call sportlov. It's meaning sports holiday. To protect everybody's right to be outside and enjoy in the nature and to roam. It's called allemansrätten, and it's even written in the Swedish constitution. And as long as you do not disturb, do not destroy, you can basically do anything you like. You can pick berries, mushroom, do camping, swimming in a lake, or just enjoy the outdoor and the nature. To Swedish people, this is a part of our legacy and culture. No wonder that the Swedish meatballs is named after such an important concept. Everyone can enjoy it. Allemansrätten, allemansrätten, allemansrätten.